Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a reliable backup. This protects progress and lets you revert. Once done, open the Project Afternight directory and navigate to the mods or scripts folder where bot definitions live. Make sure you have the matching editor installed, such as Unity or the game's recommended editor, because version mismatches break behaviors. You will now identify the bot file name and its ID. Note both values, because you will reference them in the next step when you edit behavior, stats, or AI paths. You now open the bot's configuration, typically a JSON or CFG, and focus on AI, stats, spawn, and path nodes. These control decisions and movement. Carefully adjust aggression, vision ranges, and spawn weight to change how the bot acts. Replace model or animation references only if assets exist. Once you edit, save a versioned file name so you can roll back easily. Then relaunch the game in a test build and observe behavior. If the bot crashes, check syntax and missing assets. You finish by running a controlled in-game test and watching the bot's behavior across scenarios. Enable debug logs so you can capture AI states and error messages. If things go wrong, check for syntax errors, missing assets, version mismatches, or nav mesh gaps. These are the usual culprits. Once satisfied, copy the finalized file to the live folder and keep a dated backup. Make sure to document the exact changes and rollback steps. This saves time if you must revert or iterate further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.